Hi guys, this is the second video for graphing equations. There is a note, it's very important. I want you guys to know this note. It's really important when you graph an equation. When an equation has only two variables, x and y. 2, neither is raised to a power, then the graph of the equation will be a line. Today I will explain it in both Arabic and English. So I have example 2. Graph the equation y plus 3x equals negative 1. I'm gonna see this equation has only two variables, x and y, and neither is raised to a power. It means the power for both of them is 1. When it's 1, it means there is no power on top of them. So now this equation, when I graph it, the graph, it should be a line. It has to be a line. Step 1, make a table. This is the table, x, y, and the ordered pairs x and y. Step 2, pick 3 numbers from x-axis. 3 numbers are 0, 1, and 2. Always try to use these numbers. These are very easy to you guys. And avoid the negative numbers, because negative numbers make always negative signs. You have some issues with negative, so try to avoid it and use the positive numbers. Gonna be easier for you. Step 3, graph the ordered pairs. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do step number 1. And excuse me guys, I can translate it to Arabic first before I gonna finish the question. Graphing a line, رسم خط مستقيم. When an equation has عندما تكون المعادلة تحتوي على متغيرين، فقط متغير x and y، متغيرين فقط لا غير. المتغيرين الأس لهذه المتغيرين إنه يكون واحد فقط، يعني ما بيها أي أس مرفوعة إلها الإكس أو الواي. في هذه الحالة الرسم راح يكون على شكل خط مستقيم، align. الخطوة الأولى إنه make a table، نسوي جدول. الجدول راح يكون x y x and y اللي هو الزوج المرتب x y. الخطوة الثانية راح ناخذ 3 أرقام على الأكس أكسس، إحداثي x اللي هي 0 0 1 2، هذه الأرقام اللي نختارها. الخطوة الثالثة step 3 راح نرسم الأزواج المرتبة اللي نحصلها. Now guys, we're gonna go to step 1. So the first number I'm gonna use for x is 0. This is the first number. I'm gonna substitute 0 in the equation. So my equation is y plus 3 times x is 0 times 0 equals negative 1. Y plus 3 times 0 is 0 equals negative 1. Y plus 0 is y, so I'm gonna have y equals negative 1. So the first ordered pairs is 0, comma, negative 1, and let's name it as in A. This is the first number. I'm done with x equals 0. Now I'm gonna have x equals 1. And erase. So when x equals 1, y plus, I'm gonna substitute y in the equation. Y plus 3 times 1, because x equals 1 now, equals -1. Y plus 3 times 1 is 3, equals -1. I have to get rid from 3. I want to keep y by itself. So -3 to both sides. Cancel out. So now I have y equals, same signs, add and keep the sign. When you have same signs, add the numbers and keep the sign. So the second ordered pairs is 1, comma, -4, and let's name it as b. The third number is 2, x equals 2. I'm going to substitute it in the equation. Y plus 3 times 2 equals -1. Y plus 6 equals -1. Get rid from 6, I want y by itself. So -6 to both sides. Cancel out, y equals -1, -6, same signs, add and keep the sign. So y equals -7. So the third ordered pair is 2, comma, -7. Let's name it as in C. Now I have my ordered pairs. The first one is 0, -1, A. The second one is 1, -4, which is B. And the third one is 2, -7, which is C. Now I can erase the table to graph the ordered pairs. Step 3. Step 3, graph the ordered pairs. These are, I have 3 ordered pairs now, and I should graph them. Zero, A, 0, -1, 0, and this is X, and this one is Y. For X, I have 0, 1, 2. These are for X axis. So I have 0, -1, 0, and -1 goes down. Because for Y axis, the top gonna be positive numbers, and the bottom gonna be negative numbers. So for the bottom, I'm gonna have -1, 0, -1. So this is 0, -1 is gonna be A. B, 1, -4. 1, this is 1 for X, and -4 for Y. So I'm gonna go down 4 steps, -1, -2, -3, -4. So 1, -4 will be right here. 2, -7, so X, 1, 2. -7, gonna go down 7 steps. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So I have 2, -7, which is supposed to be right here. Now, my line is this one. Just goes all the way up. So this is the line, this is the graph for this equation, which is a line. I'm going to translate it now to Arabic, please, guys. So عندنا الأزواج المرتبة رسمناها على الإكس ورسمناها على الواي. 0 نيجاتيف 1 هذه 0 نيجاتيف 1 اللي هي A. 1 نيجاتيف 4 this is 1 نيجاتيف 4 اللي هو B. 2 نيجاتيف 7 اللي هي C ورسمنا